Today we begin with a new chapter, that is structural organization in animals. At present of your class 11th, from this chapter you will have to study only the tissues. Now, what is a tissue? A group of similar cells along with intracellular substances performing a specific function is called a tissue. I repeat, a group of similar cells along with intracellular substances performing a specific function is called a tissue. All the complex animals, they consist of 4 basic type of tissues. All the animals, complex animals, consist of 4 basic types of tissues. The tissues are organized to form organs, and 2 or more organs that interact to perform a common function constitute organ system. Thus, cells, tissues, organs and organ system exhibit division of labor and contribute to the survival of the body as a whole. Then we move on to the animal tissues. Animal tissues are classified into 4 types. They are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and neural tissue. Now, first we'll study about the epithelial tissue, also termed as epithelium. This tissue, it provides a covering or lining of some parts of the body. I repeat, this tissue provides a covering or a lining of some parts of the body. Therefore, it has a free surface which faces either a body fluid or the outside environment. The cells of epithelial tissue are compactly packed with little intracellular matrix. The epithelial tissue always rests on a non-cellular basement membrane, and it receives the nutrients from this underlying tissue called as connective tissue. Now, the classification of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue are broadly classified into simple epithelium and a compound epithelium. Then simple epithelium is classified into squamous simple epithelium tissue, cuboidal simple epithelium tissue and columnar simple epithelium tissue. Here on the screen you can see the structures of the squamous, cuboidal, columnar and columnar cells bearing cilia. Now first we move on to the simple epithelial tissue. It is composed of a single layer of cells and functions as a lining for body cavities, ducts and tubes. The squamous epithelium, it is made up of single thin layer of flattened cells with irregular boundaries. I repeat, squamous epithelium tissue, it is made up of single thin layer of flattened cells with irregular boundaries. It forms inner lining of alveoli or air sac of lungs. Blood vessels called as endothelium. It is involved in the formation of diffusion boundaries. Next, the cuboidal epithelial tissue. Cuboidal epithelial tissue is composed of a single layer of cube-like cells. Here you can see on the screen the cube-like cells in the cuboidal epithelial tissue. It is found in ducts of glands and the tubular parts of nephrons in kidneys. Its main function is secretion and absorption. Therefore, the cuboidal epithelial tissue present in the PCT of the nephron